Welcome back everybody, season's greetings to you all. I'm going to teach you how to play Little Donkey, but we are going to do it in a funky bossa nova style. There's only actually 4 separate phrases to learn for this song because the way the phrases repeat, so that's good news. So let's start off and we're going to learn phrase 1 and we're going to play it nice and slowly. Now here's that first phrase, played a bit faster. Now here's the second phrase, played slowly. And now that second phrase, played faster. Now the third phrase we're going to learn is the phrase that happens in the B section, in the bridge. And here it is, played slowly. Now here's that third phrase, played faster. Now all we do to play the complete bridge is we repeat that third phrase, and that gives us all the A sections and the B section. So the last thing to learn is the final phrase at the end, the coda section, and here it is, played slowly. Now here's that final phrase, that final coda, played faster. Great job. So now all we have to do is puzzle piece together all those different phrases and sections to make the whole song. So we're going to play phrase 1, phrase 2. That makes up the first A section. Then we repeat that. Phrase 1, phrase 2. That's the second A section. For the B section, for the bridge, we play phrase 3, and then we repeat it. And then for the final A section, it's phrase 1 and phrase 2 again. And then to finish it off, we're going to play the fourth phrase, the coda section. So that is the map of the whole song. Now, when you put it together with the backing track, it should sound like this. Due to logistical problems, I recorded this on tenor. However, I've only got my alto with me at this moment. So here it is, all put together with me playing it. Then after this, you're going to get a chance to play it yourself with the backing track. Now remember, you've also got that introduction section where you don't play, okay? So listen out for that. Fantastic. Now it's over to you. So have some fun. Play along with the backing track. Remember, you've got to wait for the introduction before you come in. Here it is. Enjoy yourself. That's it for this festive Christmassy week, learning how to play Little Donkey beginner's version with the awesome Bossa Nova backing track. As always, if you're enjoying the channel, please do subscribe. Click the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Go and check out my Instagram feed, and I'll see you next week for another festive classic. See you there.